Hey, let me show you how you can turn off TalkBack on your Pixel 7 Pro. So first of all, when you are on the home screen, you have to click on it once and then swipe like that. So we have to keep swiping until we find the app list, and then we have to double tap. And then we have to select the settings icon and also double tap. Right now, as you can see, we are back in the accessibility settings, but that's why I'm here, because I just turned it on. So I'm gonna show you how to start from this screen. And if you want to scroll down right here, you have to just click on any option, so the accessibility appears right here. If you cannot reach them, you can just click on the search settings, double tap, and then we can use the keyboard when we can type the accessibility. So we can open it simply, the accessibility, double tap to open, then tap on the TalkBack once, then double tap, and then tap on the switcher and then double tap, then tap on the stop and double tap. And as you can see right now, we easily get rid of the TalkBack on this device. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye.